Hey everyone, welcome back to FreshenOPT.ca air filter channel. Today we're changing the cabin air filter on a 2025 Toyota RAV4. Before we get started, don't forget to grab a new cabin air filter and a pair of gloves to keep your hands clean from dust and dirt. First, open the glove box and release the damper arm by gently pushing it outward. Then you'll see the cabin air filter housing. Unlock the AC housing cover by twisting the two tabs. Now you can see the old cabin air filter. Remove it together with the filter frame. And OMG, look how dirty it is. Here's an easier way. Firmly grab the filter layers and pull them together. The old filter will come out of the frame much more easily. Before installing the new filter, don't forget to check the airflow direction. Now, install your FreshenOPT cabin air filter into the filter frame. Then slide the frame back into the AC housing. Reinstall the cover and glove box. That's it. Easy. Super easy. Fresh air in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy DIY car maintenance tips. Ready for fresh air? Get your OEM quality FreshenOPT cabin air filter at FreshenOPT.ca. Members save 10% for life. Plus, enjoy free surprise kits with your order.